If you're looking to stop recurring charges on TikTok, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you no longer incur unwanted charges. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From here, you can manage your account and subscriptions. Step 4. Select subscriptions. Scroll down to find the subscriptions option in the settings menu. Tap on it to view all active subscriptions linked to your TikTok account. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Locate the subscription you wish to cancel and select it. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy to avoid unexpected charges. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any recurring charges on TikTok. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to TikTok support for help.